how to load brad nails in your DeWALT heavy duty stapler. Now you have a DeWALT 5-in-1 stapler, this will be exactly the same. At the back here, press down to release the mechanism. Now take out any staples you have in, so I'll put them to the side there. Now you want to get your brad nails and you want to put them in the edge like this. See, these are too long, so what you need to do is you need to take some off. So we'll take these off, just bend it like that. You can still use them. So now they fit in perfect. Make sure that they stick to the side. Bring the mechanism down. Sometimes it's a little tricky, and once it's over, I don't know if you can quite catch that, it goes over the brad nails like that. Come all the way down. Then pinch the end, lock it into position, lock it in position, and then you'll be able to fire your, you see that there, your brad nail. Now if you're having trouble like this, going all the way in, getting the brad nails to fire in, check out this video here at the end. However, that's how to easily load brad nails into your DeWALT stapler. If you found this video helpful, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.